The integration of artificial intelligence technology in our homes has become a reality in recent years, with the global smart home market estimated to reach $262 billion by 2025. The demand for smart home technology is rapidly increasing. In this video, we compiled a list of the 10 coolest AI gadgets that you can consider incorporating into your home to enhance your daily living experience. From AI cleaners to smart sleep trackers, these AI-powered devices have transformed the way we interact with our living spaces. Before we discuss this in detail, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Number 10. Sorbo Coffee Table. The Sorbo Smart Coffee Table is an innovative piece of furniture designed to integrate seamlessly with your connected lifestyle. With dual Bluetooth speakers on each side, the Sorbo Coffee Table provides high-quality audio that can help set the perfect mood for any occasion. The table also boasts LED lights on the underside, creating a unique ambiance that will transform your living room or kitchen. It's equipped with 2 USB charging ports and 4 power outlets, which ensures that you never run out of power while enjoying your favorite movies, TV shows, or games. Moreover, you can connect your TV audio to the table via the included Bluetooth dongle, enabling you to immerse yourself in your entertainment and control all the features via the touchscreen on the tempered glass top. It also features a built-in cooler, which uses a compressor to keep your beverages, wine, and beer ice cold. With precise temperature controls, you can easily adjust the temperature to your personal preferences using the touch control panel. Number 9. Acura Smart Radiator Thermostat E1. The Acura Smart Radiator Thermostat E1 is a modern heating solution that can transform your home into a smart and energy-efficient space. This thermostat offers manual controls and an app that allows you to easily customize your home's heating schedule from anywhere. With its intuitive interface, you can set different temperatures for different times of the day and ensure that your radiator is not left on unnecessarily, thus reducing your energy costs. The E1 Radiator Thermostat is compatible with popular voice assistants like Alexa, Google, and Apple HomeKit, enabling you to control your heating system using voice commands. By installing the Acura Smart Radiator Thermostat E1, you can create a more comfortable and eco-friendly home environment. Number 8. AI Cleaners. In today's fast-paced world, people often find themselves struggling to balance work and household chores. One of the most essential aspects of maintaining a hygienic home is cleaning and mopping, which is often a time-consuming and laborious task. In the past, people used to spend hours of their day cleaning and grooming their homes. However, with the advent of technology, things have taken a new turn, and AI cleaners are now making homes smarter and more convenient to maintain. One of the most well-known examples of AI cleaners is the Roomba vacuum cleaner. It's a popular product that has taken the market by storm and is becoming a preferred alternative to maids and home servants. The Roomba uses advanced AI and machine learning algorithms that are programmed to adapt and learn from its environment, making it more efficient with each use. Number 7. Smart Microwave Oven. Smart microwave ovens are an excellent addition to any smart home. They make cooking more comfortable, efficient, and convenient while also providing a range of features and functionalities that traditional microwave ovens lack. With their advanced technology and unique features, smart microwave ovens are becoming increasingly popular, and their adoption is only set to increase in the future. One of the standout features of a smart microwave oven is touchscreen functionality and internet streaming. With the touch of a button, users can access a range of features and functions, such as pre-programmed settings, recipe suggestions, and cooking instructions. Another significant feature of a smart microwave oven is the presence of interior cameras to check on food. These cameras enable users to monitor their food's progress from anywhere, ensuring that the food is cooking correctly and preventing overcooking or burning. Some recent examples of smart microwave ovens in the market include the Amazon Basics microwave, the GE Profile Smart Countertop microwave, and the Whirlpool Smart Over-the-Range microwave. These devices come equipped with a range of features, including voice control, scan-to-cook technology, and compatibility with smart home assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant. Number 6. Smart bed and sleep trackers. Smart beds and sleep trackers have transformed the way we approach our sleep routines. Smart beds offer personalized sleeping experiences with features that allow us to adjust the bed's temperature, firmness, and other settings to our preferences. Some smart beds have body temperature sensors that can detect changes in our body temperature and adjust the bed's temperature accordingly. Sleep trackers, on the other hand, monitor sleep patterns and provide feedback on sleep quality. By analyzing metrics like sleep duration, quality, and heart rate variability, sleep trackers offer insights on how to improve sleep quality, such as recommendations for sleep environment or habits. Combining a smart bed with a sleep tracker provides a comprehensive solution for optimizing sleep quality. Smart beds offer an ideal sleeping environment, while sleep trackers provide insights on how to improve further. Popular examples of recent sleep trackers include the Fitbit Versa 3, Oura Ring, and Sleep Score Max. These gadgets provide personalized recommendations to improve sleep quality, making them powerful tools in addressing sleep issues like insomnia, sleep apnea, and restless leg syndrome. With these innovative technologies, we can achieve better sleep quality, leading to improved health and wellness. Number 5. Bathroom appliances. AI has brought innovation to our homes, and our bathrooms are no exception. Bathroom appliances that utilize AI technology offer convenience and personalization. Automated geysers are designed to provide the perfect water temperature for a bath, adjusting themselves based on weather and humidity data. Connected to the internet, they're also customizable and come equipped with safety features such as auto cut. AI-powered washing machines adjust themselves as per the machine load, making cleaning, rinsing, and drying easier, while conserving resources like water. In countries like Japan, there are even automatic irons that utilize AI technology to provide an efficient ironing experience, which is not only convenient but also eco-friendly. These innovative gadgets not only make our lives easier, but also offer benefits such as energy and resource conservation. The integration of AI technology in our bathroom appliances can make our lives more comfortable and sustainable. Number 4. Smart home services. One of the most significant benefits of AI is its contribution to smart home services. Gone are the days where we had to manually operate our home appliances. Today, with the help of AI, we can control our devices with ease. For instance, a decade ago, changing TV channels meant pressing a plethora of buttons on a remote control. However, with the advent of AI, we now have smart TVs that can be directed and controlled with our smartphones. This allows for seamless operation, making the user experience much more enjoyable. AI also helps to personalize the temperature of our rooms with the ability to adjust cooling and heating based on our preferences. Recently, smart refrigerators have hit the market, which can track our grocery needs and recommend items that would be ideal for our dinner parties. They can even notify us when we need to restock specific items. Imagine receiving your grocery recommendations while you're at work and picking them up on your way back home. This saves both time and resources. There are many other AI gadgets that can provide smart home services, such as smart thermostats, smart lighting, and voice-activated assistants. These gadgets are designed to make our lives more comfortable and efficient, allowing us to focus on more important things. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more innovative gadgets that will transform the way we interact with our homes. Number 3. Vortex Robotic Toy Reinvented. Vortex is a new robot toy that is currently seeking funding on Kickstarter. Created by DF Robot, the Arduino-based bot is specifically designed for children aged 6 years and above. Vortex promises to be a fun, out-of-the-box experience with pre-programmed games including golf, driving, bumping fights, and soccer. Furthermore, an augmented reality game called Fugitive will be available later in the year. But Vortex is not just a passive toy. The hope is that children will use an intuitive app to learn how to program the bot, which can connect to both iOS and Android devices. The app offers graphical programming with a simple drag-and-drop interface, meaning kids can learn the basics of programming without having to stare at the lines of code. Additionally, Vortex comes with preset courses to teach users how to make the most of the bot's built-in capabilities, with a focus on both fun and education. Vortex is another exciting addition to the growing range of robot-based toys for young learners. Number 2. Bonjour Smart AI Alarm Clock. Holly, a French startup, has developed a voice-controlled and artificially intelligent alarm clock called Bonjour. It acts as a personal assistant and learns about its users to provide a customized experience. The device has a sleek design that blends contemporary and retro styles with a circular body on 4 legs and a circular color HD screen in the center. While similar to the Kello alarm clock, which focuses on improving sleep quality, the Bonjour aims to enhance the user's waking hours. Its features go beyond simply waking up the user, offering a more enriching experience with its AI technology. Number 1. Artificial Intelligence Assistant Pillow. Some smart pillows, for example, use embedded sensors to track sleep data such as sleep duration, sleep stages, and body movements during the night. They then use this data to provide personalized recommendations for better sleep, such as adjusting the pillow's firmness or temperature, changing sleep positions, or establishing better sleep routines. Other smart pillows use voice assistants such as Amazon's Alexa or Google Assistant to enable users to control smart home devices, play music or audiobooks, and set alarms or reminders. These features can help users create a more convenient and comfortable sleep environment. Overall, smart pillows offer a range of features and benefits that can help users achieve better sleep quality and develop healthy sleep habits. However, it's important to research and compare different options before choosing a smart pillow to ensure that it meets your specific needs and preferences. That's all for today. So which of these AI gadgets are you more excited to try out? Do you think AI has the potential to change the world for the better, or are you skeptical of its growing influence? Let us know in the comments below. We can't wait to hear your thoughts. I hope you liked the video. If you did, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so that you never miss any amazing videos from us.